Hey guys, so today we're making a really good dessert on the road.
It's a campfire s'mores dip, and this is what you'll need. You'll need Hershey's bars, a ton of them. Oh wait, four Hershey's bars, aluminum foil to cover it. You'll need some graham crackers to dip it with.
You need a skillet if you want to make it super good. And you need marshmallows.
We've never made this before, so hopefully it works out.
The first step to do is you take the Hershey bar, open it up, and put all of them in the skillet.
Second, you're gonna layer it with marshmallows.
Next, we cover it with aluminum foil.
Next, put it on the campfire.
Next, you're gonna put it over the campfire.
But make sure you don't put it directly over the flames. So, there we go. And then you're gonna wait about 6 minutes or until it's melted.
Kids, make sure your dad or mom lights the fire, because if you play with matches, you'll wet the bed.
When it's all melted, you're gonna take it off the fire.
Guys, that was pretty easy, right, Savannah?
Yes, definitely. But remember, you do need some graham cracker sticks.
Thank you.
Now that you have a graham cracker sticks, you're gonna dip. Make sure you get the chocolate at the bottom. I think I got it. I think it's under my marshmallow. Now that you got it and you dipped it, you're gonna eat it.
Mmm. This is awesome. Let me try one more.
So guys, that's it. That's a campfire s'mores skillets. It was really good. It's definitely worth making and worth making a campfire. Yeah, and it's nice and toasty and warm.
I actually think it's easier to use the square ones better than the round ones.
I mean, that's what we used and it worked out. So that's it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. See you, everyone.
Bye.